How to use Claude for document analysis. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude to analyze documents quickly. Perfect for when you need to pull out key information without reading through everything yourself. First, go to Claude AI on your phone or computer and sign into your account. If you don't have one, signing up is free and only takes a minute. Once you're in, start a new chat and look for the paperclip or attachment icon near the chat bar. Tap or click on it and choose Add Files and Photos. Then select the document and click on Open to upload the document to Claude. Once your document is uploaded, type in what you need. You can ask things like, summarize this document in simple terms. What are the key points? Pull out all the important dates and deadlines. Or are there any risks or concerns mentioned in this document? Then hit Send. Claude will read through the entire document and give you a clear, detailed response based on exactly what you asked. If you want to dig deeper, just keep asking follow-up questions in the same chat. Say something like, explain the third section in more detail, or compare these 2 points, and Claude will break it down further. It works great for contracts, reports, research papers, meeting notes, anything with a lot of text that you need to understand fast. And that's it. Using Claude for document analysis saves you a ton of time and helps you get straight to the information that actually matters.